Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Fuel efficient. Features also include steering wheel controls, power seat dual, windshield wiper heater, power sun moonroof, cooled seats. Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power sunroof, satellite radio, cruise control, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.